1.8 lakh applications have been submitted throughout the country, and mirror exams were already conducted. And kindly see the description of the petitioner's mirror. Generally, it will not miss your lord's attention. I don't know, but it has been kindly just to see that there are the persons who applied for the notification. They appeared for the exam, and they say that in the exam, in the affidavit itself, exams are already conducted. So, exclusive matter goes before the tribunal. And now they not blanket stay not to declare the results affecting throughout the country. That I stated in the affidavit, 1.08 crore applications have been people have appeared for the affidavit examination. Only he is saying that 20% to reserve. But in lieu of the constitutional bench judgment, the requisition itself cannot be maintained here. Any matter relating to employment has to go only before the tribunal. And what he questions were very strangely kindly see that also in the prayer sought. But these things they should not suppress before this honorable court. When they appeared, what was the date of appearance for the examination? And persons who subjected themselves to the notification period, who appeared, now they can't apprehend that results are not yet come. They say that we may not get proper marks. And they themselves say that exams are conducted very vaguely. Kindly see page 20.
Yes, sir.
February 2026 exams. Everything is worked throughout the country. Things are stopped now. For the sake of 10 applicants whose their results are not yet declared. Total case of application.
Yes, sir. What is it?
Page 87.
Let the interim order be vacated. But I have no hesitation to say that and we have got counsel taking preliminary objection on the jurisdiction of this honorable court. Invoking this.
The vacate Para 18 not. I have no objection to Para 18.
What is this?
Only to the 20% of total vacancies and hold the back the survey of EBT but remaining 80% notified vacancies on publishing I am agreeing that 80% of the vacancies results can be declared. But our case is page 87 of rate petition. Irregularities have been happened. They admit that there are irregularities in their counter. Without rectifying such irregularities, declaring entire results, we will be suppressed.
You are only 15 members. Why you are asking to
20%? We come under CCAA candidates which are reserved for 20%. Total vacancies.
You are only 15 members.
We are 15 members. We all together come under the clause of CCAA. That is course completed certificate. We come under. We have a reservation of 20% of the total direct recruitment vacancies. So how they were irregularities are found when I explained the petition. For a moment, they admit that irregularities have been found. Lots of kindly take a minute my petition.
Results are not yet declared.
Results are to the extent of 80%. I don't have an objection.
Results are not yet declared.
Not yet declared. Selection process not started. It is only examination. Just they completed.
So you are only anticipating something is going to happen.
Not so kindly appreciate. One adding of 1/3 marks ballot, which were already they have got highest marks by counting irregularities. So once they declare the merit list ballot, they include that 1/3 marks also, and we will be suppressed. Since we are appeared for 520 marks, and those people who honor after 2000
before the tribunal, not before this court.
Lordship have already disposed on petition. I will. Lordships have disposed in similar case. No, Lordship's orders are there. I produce before my lords.
There can't be any judgment that contrary to.
I will submit a judgment where my lords have passed an order.
Why you reply by Monday?
Monday, Tuesday, Lord. Tuesday.
You will reply, sir. You decide on 21st.
28th.
21st. 21st of this month.
ದೇಶವಂತ under results ಆಗಿವೆ sir.
80% have no objection.
I am sorry to say, otherwise I would not have said. In fact, I mentioned for the appearance of my visits on the matter cannot be entertained here. It's not fairness. Employment exchange notification issued by Railway Board is not under challenge here. They are the persons who applied for the notification. They participated in the selection process. If they apprehend anything about their marks to be awarded or the results to be declared, marks to be awarded for the results to be declared, he apprehends he has to go before the tribunal in terms of section 14.
For the petition. The detailed count has been filed by the
We
respondent.
are here to assist the court,
Head
whatever
counsel for
is
the
there in the court.
Additional Solicitor General of India. At request of the counsel for the petition for filing report. List on 20th.
Yes.
File
28.
20th, sir, Monday.
20th Monday.
Tuesday last. Because I have to amend the indeed petition.
Not necessary, sir. Answer the point.
28.
20th, yes, sir.
Item number 108.
I am grateful.
Item number 108. Nama Lakshmi